Hi, I'm Matt Hale from Kramer UK, and I'm here to demonstrate to you today our new MTX3-HSA series of HDMI matrices, of which we have two. We have the MTX3-44-HSA, which is a 4x4 matrix, and we have the MTX3-88-HSA, which is an 8x8 matrix. They have almost an identical feature set. You will see that the 88 has a lot more buttons on the front because there's more space for them, but both are compatible with the same external command protocol, so they have very, very similar feature set. There is one major difference though, which I'll get to. So the main benefit of these switches is that they are seamless switches. I have three sources plugged into this. I have my laptop, another small PC that's playing a video, and a test generator there. And if I change the inputs here, you'll see instant seamless switching with full 4K at 444 video quality. Across all of the outputs, they all have independent scalers. So regardless of what your configuration is, you get seamless switching. In addition to that, they are compatible with a lot more features, including you get audio breakaway and audio return channel on the outputs, and also very flexible audio routing as well. So whichever way you need to configure these devices, they can work for you very well. But the main feature set is that seamless switching that I mentioned. One thing that the 88 has above the 44 is actually multi-viewing. So there are multiple different ways that you can view multiple sources on a single display with the 88. The 44 is a little bit more basic, but it has all of the other features apart from multi-viewing. Both of the HSA devices can be configured to auto switch or manually switch, depending on what you need. And in addition to that, they have HDCP 2.3, which is the latest version of HDCP and very important for things like Apple Macs with the latest operating systems on them. So it's a fully compatible, fully seamless, fully scaled, very reliable system. That's the MTX3, 88 and 44 HSA from Kramer.